Hi friends, it's Akshut here, and today we learn about the basics of WordPress. So, in this lesson, you will learn how to set up your blog mainly in the admin panel of the WordPress, which would help you post some posts, do some approve some comments, and all of these things that you are able to see. And before starting this entire video lesson, I would tell you to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, comment below, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can receive every video notification on your YouTube app or YouTube website. So let's start the lesson. So first let's discuss the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So WordPress.com is setting up your blog and downloading WordPress and uploading it to the server and creating your own site and using it for mainly commercial use. Like businesses use mostly WordPress to make their websites, like I have also used. So this would help you make your own WordPress site with without any limitations, and it would be a small installation. But for this, you need to make your hosting and domain and all of these things. The WordPress.com is similar to Blogger.com. So in this, what happens is like you create a blog, and what would happen that it would not be the most popular like it is written here. You will be given some limitations, and mainly it would not be for commercial uses. So just keep in mind that this is mainly for commercial use and you should use this. And WordPress.com you can use for experimenting the WordPress and learning about it more. Okay, so just remember this thing. So now let's come to our admin panel and cover up the main thing that we are going to discuss in this video lesson. So this is my admin panel. I logged in it for edushiksha.in. So this is the mainly dashboard. Here you can set up your dashboard and see some things about your website. Like this is currently WordPress 5.5.3 or 5.5.4 version, and the latest for now as I'm creating it today. So the versions might upgrade and there might be more functions which might come in the next time. So here we are able to see our dashboard. So dashboard is basically to give you a quick glimpse of how your site is maintaining and all of these things. So like this is my sidebar menu of the WordPress admin where you can see these much options. Some are for the plugins and some are for the main WordPress. Let's come to posts. So when you will click this post, then you would see many things. So like I have created this thing and these all posts are mine that I have created. So what would happen with this? We will be able to create a post. Like I will click add new and it would create a new post. So like it would load in a while, and let me share with you how to create the post. So it is currently loading. It might not take so much time for you and it might also take more time than this much. So this is our post like admin panel where you can create your post, customize it and post it on the web on your website. So like here we can add the title, like I will add basics of WordPress. So this would be our post title. Like let's go to my website and check how would it look like. The main draft, the main template which we would be able to see. So like the post would be displayed here to give information to the users of on such a topic that is mostly popular or it might not be popular, but it would be some piece of information. So I've added the title. I have still not posted it. I will do one thing. I will like start writing or type to type. So like I will type something. This is the post on basics of WordPress. Okay, so this is the first text that I have made. When I will click enter, a new block would be maintained. So what is this? So this works in blocks. Okay, like it is not a site builder, it is not particularly coding, but you would be able to manage the whole post with blocks. I will click here and I will click this or this plus button. Here you can see many blocks that you can use. Paragraph, heading, these are for text, these are for media. So media is basically the piece of information not only in text. Like you can add images, you can add videos, etc. So you can also add this media. Next is this design. Here you can design your web post. Like you can add buttons, add columns, group some columns or blocks. You can add a more button which would show your more. You can add a separator, you can add a page break and a spacer. Next are some widgets. Like if the person wants to search, then we can add a widget here. Social icons can also be displayed, archive, calendar and many more. Here you can embed these things that are available, which would help you embed another thing which is not from your blog. Or it might be, but it would be embedded, not particularly inserted, but embedded. So here you can create your post. You can also format the blog by this, like you can increase the text size and all of these things. You can like add categories, you can add tags, you can add featured image. Like featured image would be like this one, the image would which would be visible here. Excerpts, you can disable and enable comments. You can like there would be many options which you can use. Okay, so you might explore these things. As if I would tell you, then you might get bored in just learning. So I'm giving you the rights to explore and to learn by yourself. So we will, if you want to publish it or preview it, you can do like this. You can click publish to publish. You can click preview to preview. You can click save draft to save it as a draft. So I will just close it and I will not save these changes. So it would still be saved. So you can trash it, quick edit it and preview. You can also check which is in trash and which is in all of these things. I will trash it. So there would be a trash column also maintained here, which would show you all of the posts which are in trash. Next, we can go to the media one. So media is basically like I told you, those files and all, not in exactly text, but in videos, images, and many other forms. So you can add media by clicking add new. It can also be done in the post one. You can just click add new post and then there would be a button which would ask you to add a new media or insert a media. Next comes our page. So what is a basically a page? So page is like which helps in navigating the person. So like on my website there are many posts and pages. So these are the pages and these are the posts. Posts are the basic information displayed mostly on the home page, and pages are mainly used to navigate the person and go to a particular place where they can search for the thing they are searching for or they have come to your website for. So you can also add new and the process of the post and the pages would be same but a little like it would be little different. Next we can come to comments. So here you are able to see many comments. So if you are if someone has commented on your blog, so how will you approve it and all of these things? I will now tell you that. There are many comments that I have approved, that I have set as spam, that are pending and that are mine. Okay, that I have posted in replies. So like one person has posted, I really like and appreciate your article. Thanks again, and then the name. So here you are able to see that the same person is posting comments. So I would mark it as spam as the person wants to like spam on my web page. You can approve also, you can reply, you can edit also the comment and trash it also. I will mark it as spam. So next we come to appearances where you will be able to see themes and many more customized widgets menus which would help you customize your like web page and set your template. So like I've used the theme generate press. If you don't want to use the default theme which is mainly 2020, you can click add new theme and search for the most popular and featured themes which would help your web page look awesome. Okay, so this was our theme. You can also upload the theme file. The widgets are mainly the sidebar widgets. Like here are many sidebars, top bar, footer bar. So in the right sidebar, I have added recent posts, archives, categories, and search. In the bottom, I have added the copyright and the search and the privacy policy. Like you can customize it by yourself and explore more after this video ends. Next is menus. So menu is basically the navigation that people use. So like this is a menu of top bar navigation I have used. So you can set it as primary menu. Next come the theme sidebars, generate press and theme editor. So these both functions might not be available in your one as the theme might differ, but this theme editor will be somewhat of coding in PHP that might confuse you, so I recommend not to check it if you don't know coding. Next comes our plugins. So what is in the plugins? So plugins are external parts of things which help your blog look very great and which increase your blog and add some more functions to your blog. So like I have added these plugins, Sitekit by Google, Yoast SEO, insert headers and footers, easy custom sidebars. So you can also add these plugins like by clicking add new, or you can also upload these plugins if you have a file of them. So there are like featured plugins you can see. You can go to popular and see more and these all things. This website builder is basically the blog builder or website builder that may be available on Wix and all. So you can also put it on your blog. The next is users. So users is basically the users which are registered to your blog and you. So all the users which can update your blog or change the things. Also the subscribers. So in the tools, there are many tools like you can import a blog posts and all of these things. You can import from Blogger and these all platforms. You can export your blog as a backup. You can like check the site health and all these functions. Next comes our settings. So in the settings, there are mainly general settings and all of these things, which would like change the settings and all of these things on your web page. Next is our SEO. So SEO is from the Yoast SEO plugin. So this is the free version for now. You can also buy the premium version of these plugins, which would help your site to grow up. So this was basically our admin panel. Before ending this lesson, I will tell you that to remember the difference between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. Also, to practice this thing that I have told you in this lesson, as this would be a proof that you know digital marketing and you have implemented it as your own project and you have learned the digital marketing and you are successfully a digital marketer. Okay, so this was the last thing I wanted to say. And also, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video, comment below, and also press the bell icon for all video notifications that might arrive on your YouTube app or the website. So, thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will also bring more lessons for you, which would help you learn about these things in digital marketing and other things. So thank you for watching.